Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video on building dashboards with Bold BI. Dashboards are visual displays of your business data. They help you track performance, identify trends, compare metrics, and make faster, smarter decisions. This is the dashboard we'll be creating today. It's simple, clean, and fully interactive. To begin, open Bold BI and click Create New Dashboard. Next, let's connect your data. Bold BI supports Excel files, databases, cloud apps, REST APIs, and more. For this demo, I am choosing a PostgreSQL data source. Fill in your PostgreSQL server details. Name, server name, port, username, password, and database. You'll be connected in just a few seconds. Next, let's add a date picker widget so users can filter the entire dashboard by a specific time range. Place it at the top of the canvas for easy access. Then add a date column to this widget. Add a KPI card. Name it. Add the datasets you want to display to the actual value and target value fields. Customize the KPI widget properties to make the visualization clearer and easier to read. Next, add a radial gauge. Change its name. Add a dataset. And adjust the radial gauge properties to achieve a better and more user-friendly look. Now, drag a column chart widget onto the canvas. Give it a name. And bind your data, choosing the fields you want to visualize. Now let's customize it. Add a grid widget to the dashboard. Name it. And add data, choosing the fields you want to visualize. Now let's customize it. And that's it. You have built your first interactive dashboard in Bold BI. Quick, simple, and powerful. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. If you don't have a Bold BI subscription, you can start a 30-day free trial with no credit card required. Or you can request a personalized demo, where our experts will walk you through solutions tailored for your use case. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Bold BI tutorials. Thanks for watching.